y'all, welcome back. So our Melaleuca box was just delivered. This is my first time trying Melaleuca, and so I'm really just now figuring out and learning what Melaleuca is even about. But it's a subscription service that's trying to pull us away from a lot of the toxic chemicals and things that are in some of our foods and our cleaning products and just our vitamins and everything. So I didn't order this, but just like less than a week ago. And I have a general idea of what I ordered, but I don't remember exactly. So we're going to open it up together and figure it out. These are all brand new products to me, but a friend of mine had talked me into it. I've been having some really bad headaches and just some nutrition issues that I've been trying to fight. So I'm hoping that this will help. And I'm not a salesperson for Melaleuca. I'm not anything like that. But I just figured I'd bring y'all along for the journey, and I can connect y'all with her if you would like to order anything from this company. But what it is it's a monthly subscription, and you go on to their website and pick out things that they do by points, and then tell you like how much the package will cost. But you need to spend at least 35 points each month to stay in the subscription service. And basically it's saying like they're creating very new and fresh products and things that you can use in your home that's like decreasing the chemicals in them and just healthier overall for you and your family. So like I said, this is my first box, and I know it hasn't been but a few days, but I've already forgotten what all I ordered. So it says, welcome to the family. Let's see what this is about. It's a pretty little seal. So this is just a little letter that tells you about, and it's looking like telling you about the company and why we may not have ever heard of them. It says they don't do advertising, they just depend on good word of mouth from their customers, and they've grown so much because of that. 400 wellness products, blah, blah, blah. A lot of different stuff just about the company. Now, I remember one of the things that she was saying is that this is like Whole Foods like products and things that you'll find in those kind of companies, but at Target prices. And that's what she kept referring back to try and explain like what you're going to be. You're looking for a higher quality of product, things with less fragrances and less chemicals in them. That's going to cause less of those side effects, but you still get the same value or better value. So this is just a list of what they consider must-haves. And I see some things on here that I thought about ordering, but I know this fiber-wise I didn't order this time, but I was thinking about it for next time. It says get the most from Peak Performance. Take it with a full meal to optimize. Oh, so this is teaching about their Peak Performance, their nutrition pack, like their vitamin pack, which I still have a vitamin pack that I use, so we'll have to see if it's worth switching. There's a lot of different materials in here as well. The Human Immune System and Owner's Manual. So this looks like, telling us different things about our body, and it looks like products that they have with those different issues. So like how to get your vitamin D, and then maintain a healthy weight, how to control inflammation. So a cool little booklet. Leadership, how to building your business. So this is talking about how people took, I would assume, talking about how they took it from just being members to actually selling the product, which I have no interest in selling the product, but if it's something that'll work for my family, I'm definitely interested in buying. And this looks like, oh, so I do remember saying they have a huge makeup line with healthy items like makeup, skincare, everything. So that's what I'm guessing this Cibella is. It says wellness inspired beauty. So there's the catalog for their beauty, and then exclusive wellness catalog. And this is oils, that's creams, toothpaste, granola-like bars, coffee, all different things. So this is more of what I'm looking for out of this subscription, is nutrition. And I wonder if this, yes. So for me, I'm looking for nutrition and some cleaning products that are comparable to what I already use. I'm not looking for something that's going to raise my household budget even more. If anything, I want something that's going to help save me some money. But I am interested in how to pull chemicals out and make things better, not only for myself, but for my family. So let's get into it and see what we got. So I do remember one of the things that she had talked to me about is they have a dishwashing product called Diamond Bright. I use Cascade right now. I used to use the little power pack things, and they never seemed to get my dishes clean, or they would just get stuck in the bottom of the dishwasher. Like, just, it didn't work. So I switched to the gel for Cascade, and it worked better. But they are promising that this works even better than Cascade. Plus, you're supposed to get like 96 uses, or this is 25 loads. Maybe there was something else in here that said 96. But this is, price-wise, it was about the same as what I pay for Cascade. So I figured I'd give it a try. I know a lot of these say they're concentrated, so I'll have to look at, yes, you'll use a quarter of as much as regular dishwashing gels. And it tells you ways to conserve water, things like that. It says main detergent, fill cup half full with Diamond Bright. Hold on, fill detergent cup. Oh, so the little thing in the dishwasher. Duh. I thought maybe it had a cap on here. It says add more for very hard water, which I don't really like that because I have hard water. So that means I'm gonna use it up even faster. So this is the Melaleuca. This is the laundry detergent. It says it's 9 times as powerful. This is the 96 loads. So in this little bottle, it says 1/3 of a fluid ounce or 10 mils to wash water. For heavier soiled loads, add extra as needed. Works best with warm temperatures as recommended on the tag. So that is, it does say effective in cold water, which I know that Michael typically uses hot water or warm water for everything, but for saving our clothes and for energy conservation, I usually like to use cold water. So it just depends on who's doing laundry, and as of right now, that's been him more than me. So I guess it'll work better because it'll be in the warm water. It does smell really good though. I always worry with eco-friendly things, they're gonna stink and smell like algae, because that's what they're made out of. I don't really care what this smells like as long as it gets the dishes clean and they don't smell like it. But, ooh, that actually smells good though. Like lemon limey kind of smell. So, let's see. Oh, so I got a liquid soap hand refill. This is the Grapefruit splash. Y'all, I love me some citrus smells. But they did have some pumps and things. I don't think for this one I got a pump because I can just use my own pumps that I already have. That smells good too. I used to have a face wash that smelled like this, and it was my absolute favorite face wash. So that's some hand soap. Oh, kids body wash. So now the kids body wash was a little bit more expensive than what I typically pay for their body wash. And I don't know why, but they've been deciding that they need to go through a size like this every day. So that's not, we're going to have to change that with this. But I'm trying to pull some chemicals out of what they use. that smells really clean. It doesn't really smell like anything, just clean. And I'm okay with that. But it's the Koala Pals body wash. So that's a kid's one. I think I got two. One for Eleanor, one for Patrick. Yes. So, oh, no. It looks like I got a body wash and a shampoo and a hair wash. I'll have to check and make sure that's what I actually ordered. Maybe I did. I probably did, so I could try some different things. Typically, I'll buy them each their own, so they're not fighting. And that smells the same, just like a clean scent. Let's see. Oh, this is the shampoo I got for myself. Now it's a smaller bottle, which again, I didn't really pay attention to the fluid ounces on it, but it says it's ultra hydrating, and I have psoriasis and really dry skin, so I'm hoping this will help. And again, it just smells clean. It does have like a slight scent to it, but nothing strong. I like it. It smells good. We'll see how it works. Magic. Now, what did I read this was good for? Okay, it says heavy duty cleaner. Grease, grime, gunk, unwelcome guests in anyone's home. It says add half a fluid ounce to a gallon of water and apply with mop cloth or sponge. So this is one of the ones that is super concentrated. So it says it's really good for greasy things. Let's see. Perfect for the toughest, greasiest messes. Great for greasy oven tops, hoods. I have a greasy hood I need to clean. Garage messes, mechanical parts, barbecues, concrete, outdoor furniture, and more. Not recommended for wood or carpet. But I think this is why... Yeah, let's see. No, that's not. I bought some of the... They sell their spray bottles separate. So no, I didn't buy one for this, for a spray bottle. It doesn't look like, because they have specific labels already on them. No. But it's concentrated. We'll dilute it down and we'll see how it works. Let's see. This is Lemon Bright Ultra Concentrated. Oh, this is what I'm going to try in place of my Dawn dishwashing soap. So, let's see. It says simply add a squirt of Lemon Bright to warm water. So, yeah, this is basically like Dawn dishwashing soap. So, we'll try that. And I don't want anything crazy smelling for my dishes because I just want them to be clean. But I got the tropicals in it for that. And then, I'm going to try some of their deodorant. And then, so this is the EcoSense Daily Shower Cleaner. And that's what this bottle is for. So it says add concentrate. It's to the 12 times line and add water to the fill line. So concentrate. Oh, to the 12 time line. So it's way down here. And then the fill is all the way up here. So that's very concentrated. Heck yeah. I like that it says it makes 6 full bottles from this. So I'll have to do the comparison to see, but that's awesome. I'm sure it works on a lot more surfaces than just the shower, but even if that's good for my bathroom, then I'm good with that. So we have that. And then just 2 more things. So we have a tub and tile super constant. I was on for the bathroom cleaners, it looks like. It's 12 times also, and it also says the same thing. Fill to the 12 times line and then put water to the fill. So super concentrated, again, makes 6 bottles, and for bathroom surfaces, and then rinse. And it comes with its own spray bottle as well. And again, these are a lot. These are like less chemicals and safer for your house and your family. And then the last one I got is a treat. It's called Delectables, the Premium Chai Tea Latte. It's a chai with cinnamon, ginger, clove, and cardamom latte drink. So, Yeah, there's really no reason I can say I needed this besides it sounded good. But that's our whole box. Now, I don't remember the individual prices for each thing. They do have member prices and non-member prices, but I do remember even with my discount, like I had a $20 discount because this is my first box, and I did, like they ask you to watch some videos, some education videos and stuff, and this was $92 with shipping and everything. So I'm a numbers person, I'm going to have to compare it, but I know that if I was buying some laundry detergent, dishwashing detergent, cleaners, I could easily rack up to $92. I'm just going to have to see, is it really worth it for our family? And I'll let you know. But like I said, I just wanted to bring it to y'all and introduce y'all to something that I'll be using to help clean my home as well. We'll see y'all next time. Bye.